In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper method to remove, replace, and diagnose a turn signal bulb and socket on a 91 Ford Explorer. In this step, we're going to talk about the parts and tools required in order to service your turn signal system. What I have here on my magnetic tray is a replacement socket. I have a new bulb to replace the burned out one. I have my electrical terminal pliers we're going to use to make our new connections with. I have my wire strippers. I have my side cuts, or dikes as they're called, and a test light to perform the diagnostic procedures. And what I have are some heat shrinking waterproof butt connectors. In my opinion, these are the cat's meow when making any kind of electrical connection. What you do is you, of course, connect the wires inside into the butt portion, and you apply heat to the extended housings here, and they will shrink up and melt and waterproof your electrical connection. These are the tools that are required to service your turn signal system.